Not long after Printify's big rebranding in October last year, complete with the fresh new logo, we now have major news shaking up the print-on-demand world. Just a couple of days ago, the two giants, Printful and Printify, announced a merger. This came as a surprise to everyone, especially considering the long-standing rivalry between these companies and their very different approaches to production, suppliers, pricing strategies, and more. So what's the plan? Here's what they are saying so far. They want to bring together the best of both worlds. Printiful's top-tier production facilities combined with Printify's huge global supplier network and diverse product range. And they're promising this will lead to even more powerful, innovative solutions for businesses. They have shared a few key points to keep in mind for now. Both brands and platforms will keep operating separately. Prices and quality won't change. There will be no changes to their affiliate programs, and they are assuring us no interruptions in service, especially during this critical time of the year. What this might mean for all of us in the industry. Imagine Printful's quality control meets Printify's vast supplier network. The possibilities are huge. And in this quick video, I'm going to break down what we can expect from potential price changes to future innovations that could reshape print-on-demand as we know it. So let's start with the synergy between Printful's production expertise and Printify's global suppliers network. What could this merger bring to the table? Potentially faster production times, more customization options, and an even broader product selection. With both infrastructures united, the quality and consistency of products could reach new levels. Now about pricing and variety. For now, both brands will keep their pricing as is, but down the line, we could see more competitive pricing as they scale together. And with access to Printify's huge supplier base, there could be a faster flow of new products and a wider range than even before. So the really exciting part is innovation. With their combined resources, we might see things like AI-driven design tools, next-level quality control, and even sustainability projects that could redefine print-on-demand. This merger has the potential to set a new standard for customization and design. Will smaller companies need to merge, or will they find ways to stand out in a niche markets? It's a fascinating shift, and I can't wait to see how it impacts the industry. Now, let me know your opinion about what you believe this could mean for the future of print-on-demand. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.